Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Max 2, and today I'll show you how to remove a Google account. So to start off, you want to open up the settings. So pull up the panel right here and tap on settings. From here, scroll all the way down till you get that up. Cool. Let's go back till you see accounts right here, and then you should find your Google account. So all you need to do is just tap on it, and then you will see remove account. Tap on it, remove account. Are you sure? Yep. And if you have some kind of protection, you will need to put it in. So I have a pattern, and now it's gone, as you can see. So if I would go back, now I can add a new one, but the previous one is gone. So that is how you would remove it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.